Hi crafty folks, Amy here, and today I'm going to play with some metallic gilding polish in a stencil. So let's jump right in. I have this gorgeous fairy flowers stencil from a Colorful Life Designs. I have this black cardstock that I cut down a little smaller than A2 size with the die shown there. It's a paper rose stitched edge rectangle die, and I'm going to load this up on my Wendy Vecchi station tool because I'm going to use these gorgeous metallic gilding polishes. I have Paradise Purple and Fern are the two colors that I'm going to use today. And here's a photo of the finished card. It really came together super quickly, and these products are really fun to use. You can't really see, but there is a lot of shimmer once you turn it in the light, and it gives you kind of an unexpected little surprise when it gets little glints of light. So here I'm just going to load up my Wendy Vecchi station tool here with my black cardstock, and I'm going to line up so that parts of all three of these blooms will show on this cardstock. And I use my magnets to hold it down, and then really I'm going to do some very simple masking here to mask off the stems because I don't want to get the purple color where I want to put the green in a moment here. So I'm just going to very loosely cover up these areas, but it's really not hard to avoid these sections with the way that the stencil is set up. So to start, I'm going to use the purple color for the blooms, and this foam I've had for a while, so it's really crusty. Now that actually works in my favor when I'm working with 3D embossing because it kind of keeps it nice and flat and allows it to really kind of just brush over the top. But it took a little while to get this resaturated enough so that it would work well with the stencil. The stencil, you need it to be a little bit more pliable. So when they get a little crusty, it takes them a bit to kind of get going again. So you'll see here, I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting it down in the stencil, and that's because it's still a little bit crusty yet. So the solution would be you can either clean these pads, which I don't ever do, or just keep going at it a little bit here and let it re-soften up like I end up doing ultimately, and making a colossal mess because that's how I am. Or you could maybe just use a newer one if you're using stencils. But honestly, you can see I ended up making it work. It just needed a little bit to kind of rework into the fibers of the foam, I think, and then it softened back up. Now the green color I actually just started using, and that's a brand new pad, so you'll see it goes down much easier with that gilding polish. So again, there's pros and cons to this method. They also come with a foam in the top that you could use, but I didn't really want to risk chewing that up with the stencil because sometimes the edge of the stencil can kind of cut into the foam. So like I said, this normally works fine, especially for 3D embossing. I don't mind that they get crusty, but this one I just had to kind of work it a little bit to kind of soften it back up so I could do this. But it was no big deal. It just took a little bit more elbow grease, but not a big deal. So here I'm just going to remove the masking and kind of loosely mask the blooms now, even though again you don't even really need to with the green because it's just this one little straight line. So here you can see this pad is much softer given that I just started using it, and that goes down, you can see it just goes down like a dream. So no issue there, but I'm just going to pull back the magnets and reveal once I close this back up and successfully confuse myself with this piece of, I don't understand how it's got it on both sides. It must be from the cap, but I gave up on it and set it aside and put some new press and seal on it. But anyway, I'm just going to move the magnets back and pull it back to reveal this awesome design. So this is a really fun way to use your stencils. Now, it doesn't go down thick like a paste. It's actually like a polish. So the benefit of that is you don't need to use very much, and it dries really super quick, like crazy quick, and it does not rub off. So here I just have this simple sentiment that's white heat embossed on black. It says, "I'm here for you." This is a simple strip from Tailored Expressions, and I'm popping it up with some little mini foam strips that I get from Amazon, and that's gonna finish the card. I attached it to a card base, and that's it. So you could step it up a notch. Wow, I can talk. Anyway, you could step it up a notch with some blingage or leave it as is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.